Wagwan guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. So basically I'm saying what's up, welcome to the YouTube channel, and I have my guest, Mr. Yemi. He is gonna sing Baby, It's Your World. He's singing to me.
No, I'm not.
Woo, woo,
No, I'm
woo.
not.
Sing for me, baby.
Wherever you guys are coming from, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, wherever, my name is Mr. K.
Opa Yemi.
If you're nasty. I really don't know the words to it, but I'm just gonna sing a snippet of it. I say, baby, it's your world, ain't it? I know you like my style, but baby, I know it. I'm going back, but baby, I'ma show it. That if you don't do it, but baby, it's your world, ain't it? Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Baby, it's your world, isn't it? There you go.
Hi guys, I got a song. Okay. Baby, it's your world. I know you like my style. Baby, it's your world. Ain't it, baby? It's your world. Isn't it? It's your world, baby.
Let me see. I was one of the words for this one.